We are summoning the God of David, the God who wages war in realms the human eye cannot reach. So close your mouth no longer. Open it wide. Pray with the authority of someone who knows heaven is listening. Pray like your very breath depends on it. O Lord my God, can contend with every force that dares contend with me. Fight against everything that fights against my destiny. Rise up for me, Jehovah Gibbor, the mighty man of war. Seize the shield, grip the buckler. Stand tall as my divine defender. Lift your spear and shatter every path my enemies have carved. Then speak directly into the core of my soul and say, I am your salvation. Father, you see what no human eye has ever witnessed. You see the wars I wage in silence. You see every tear I swallow. You see the crushing weight I carry without complaint. You see the spiritual ambushes launched against me that have no earthly name. So today, Lord, invade my situation. Break into every evil cycle, shatter every chain buried in darkness. Annihilate every unseen opposition, every person, every spirit, every force that has warred against me without justification. Let shame consume them now. Let confusion descend on their camp like a flood. Let terror grip them from within. Let every scheme they forged in the darkness collapse violently in the blazing light of your power. According to Psalm 35, let the angel of the Lord pursue them like a storm. Let divine wind scatter them like smoke. Let their road become dark, treacherous, impossible to walk. Let them fall, suddenly, into the very traps they built for me. Every pit dug for my destruction, it swallow them instead. Every arrow launched to end me, return to the one who released it. In the name that commands the universe, Jesus. Every assault on my mind, cancelled. Every assault on my peace, my finances, my health, my God-given calling, cancelled. I refuse to be overwhelmed. I refuse to be stalled. I refuse to be erased. Father, they hated me for nothing. They spoke lies against me with full confidence. They assembled against me without a single valid cause, even when I interceded for them, even when I loved them, even when I held my tongue and chose peace. They still came for me. But today, you fight for me. Arise, O Lord. Do not stay quiet. Wake up for my case. Stand up in the courts of heaven. Let heaven itself respond to my cry. Release divine judgment. Declare over my life, not guilty, justified, shielded, favored. Let everyone who threw a celebration at the sight of my pain be wrapped in shame. Let those who laughed be silenced permanently. Let every evil party thrown in honor of my downfall be shut down this moment. Reverse every toxic word released over my life. Every curse, every hex, every dark declaration, I break it by fire. I cancel every covenant with failure. I sever every tie to the spirit of delay. I reject every ceiling placed above my potential. I declare, I am rising from the ashes of confusion. I am rising out of every delay. I am rising out of every spiritual ambush. What was engineered to destroy me is about to become the very thing that announces me. Lord, you are my defender. You are my refuge. You are my unshakable tower. When I was fragile, you carried me. When I was exhausted, you breathed life back into me. When I was under attack, your wings covered me completely. And now, you are lifting me into a new dimension. Let my enemies stand and watch my elevation. Let every person who dismissed me behold your glory resting on my life. Let my story leave them speechless. Let my testimony cause their jaws to drop, because everything they tried to kill, God is about to multiply. Replace every loss with double restoration. Where I wept, pour in joy. Where I was turned away, pour in favor. Where I was paralyzed, give me supernatural speed. Every closed door and open now, every stalled blessing but released now, every stolen opportunity restored now. I declare boldly, I am not forgotten, I am not abandoned, I am not defeated. God is actively fighting on my behalf. No weapon engineered against me will ever find success. Every lying tongue lifted against me stands condemned. I walk in victory. I walk with heaven's authority. I walk inside divine protection. I'm covered by God. I'm defended by God. I'm chosen by God. I will not fall. I will not fracture. I will not forfeit. What God ignited inside me will burn until it is finished. Lord, my mouth will proclaim your righteousness from sunrise to sunset, because what you are engineering in my life cannot be concealed. From the battlefield to the breakthrough, from the ambush to the victory, from the agony to the assignment, you have done it. In Jesus' name, arise, O Lord. Do not stay silent. Wake up for my case. Stand before the courts of heaven. Speak on my behalf. Declare over my life, not guilty, favored, protected.